How to refund money on Cash App tutorial 2023 only way. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you are going to be able to refund money on Cash App in the easiest way. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically come over to your Cash App, and once you're here, you're going to go into your settings over here. Now, let's say you spent money, okay? Or you've, put it in stocks or something like that, and you want it back. You've made a mistake, you want it back. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in support, okay? And once you go in support, what you're going to do from here is you're going to, contact their legal team. And once you're contacting their legal team, what's going to happen from there is basically it's going to give you the Cash App support team with the help that you require. Just go ahead and input the help you require, because once you add the help you require, it's going to give you the whole status of support. You're just going to let them know that, hey, give them some reason that I accidentally sent the money and I would really appreciate if you would send it back. You could also add some emotional things like I did it for the first time and I'll never do it again, etc., etc. So right now the cash support is not loading up for me, but it's going to load for you, and you're just going to contact them through their support, or you can contact them through their Cash App contact as well. So you can contact them on their helpline, on their different social media pages, by mail. But yeah, basically just contact them, let them know, and they should refund it to you in a few minutes. Like, it shouldn't take that long. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.